how to make hard and long-lasting laundry bar soap with 7 tips. Welcome back to Lamzy Space. In my previous video, I explained why laundry bar soap became soft. So in today's video, I'm going to show you practical tips that can help you make harder, long-lasting laundry bar soap. If you are making soap for your family or for your business, these tips that I'm about to mention can improve the quality of your product. Okay, so let's get started, and please make sure you subscribe like I said earlier so that you will not be missing any of our tips. You can see this soap is foaming very well. Okay, I only use two ingredients in this soap, just two ingredients, and it's foaming like this, so very strong. So let's get started. Number one tips, okay, follow a tested formula. You understand? Many beginners change ingredients quantities with no understanding. How this is going to affect your soup? How is it going to affect your soup? When you use a balanced formula, you are more likely to get consistent results. Okay? Make sure you follow a tested formula. Follow the ingredients that you understand. Don't just use random ingredients or chemical in making your soap. So that is it. Number two tips is always measure your ingredients carefully. Do not underestimate or guess the quality, the quantity. Okay? Don't do that. I explain all those things in my previous video. Accurate measurements help you produce the same quality every time. Tip 3, okay? Mix thoroughly. Mix the ingredients properly. Poor mixture can lead to uneven soap. Take your time and make sure everything is well combined. You don't just do gra. This is soap making. Especially when it comes to this stage of mixing, make sure you take your time, mix everything very well till everything is combined. Don't just do gra, want to do sharp and pour it. No, it will not mix very well. Yes. Tips 4, use good quality ingredients. The quality of your ingredients matters a lot. Good ingredients help produce better quality soap. Buy from trusted supplier, all those people that you know that are selling chemical, that you know their chemical is good. Whenever you go to the market, make sure you buy from a vendor that you trust. Don't just go to the market because you see chemical you begin to buy. No, you know all this chemical we are using in making soap, you have to trust them. You have to know those vendor because some people are mixing their own. I don't even know. They are mixing their own. Before you know, any small thing, your soap will get spoiled. I did not pray that for you. Okay. So guys, in this video, if you want to know or if you want to learn how to make long lasting laundry bar soap, please contact me and register in my class. Okay, I have class going on. I will register you and I will teach you everything till you understand. Okay. Tips 5, give the soap enough time. Don't rush yourself. Don't rush the soap. Allow the soap to have enough time to set before removing it from the mold. Patience can make a big difference. You understand? So when you pour your soap into a mold, please give it a time. Like I said, if you want to learn how to make long lasting hard laundry bar soap, make sure you contact me, okay, and I will teach you everything you need to know. In this video already, we have already started making the soap with two ingredients. So okay, if you want to learn hard laundry bar soap that lasts so well, that lasts long, okay, so that is it on that. Tip 6, store your finished soap in a cold, dry place. Avoid moisture because it can affect the soap. Proper storage help keep the soap in good condition. Yeah, you not just store your soap anyhow because it is going to affect them. Especially keep them in a well ventilated dry place so that the thing will be good for you at the end of the day. Yes, sorry for the noise. If you hear any noise in the background, it's my children. Tip 7. Keep improving in your process, okay? Every batch teaches you something. Write down what you used and the result you got. You understand? Small improvements over time can lead to consistently better soap. You understand? So that is it on that 7 tips. And you can see after everything, look at our soap. The soap is giving already. You can see is so strong. This try this recipe and thank me in the comment section. Like use these two ingredients to produce your soap and thank me after everything. Look at it. It's so strong. Okay. So if you want to sell your laundry bar soap, remember that customer notice quality. You understand? A hard, neat, and well packaged soap creates a better first impression. Yes. So this is it, guys. The soap is foaming very well. Is very good. Is strong. That is the one thing I love about this production. After I finished the production, the soap it did not take time before it dry. Oh, it I did not leave it till the next day. You understand? The soap is so dry, like it's so strong and foaming. Thanks for watching. Bye.